What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video. First, I want to say I'm sorry for not posting the video last week. I was consumed with getting ready for school and really didn't have time to record, but we're back again. Musicians Playground. Let's get it going. This is a very traditional song. I'm going to give you a few different approaches to this song, but I'm going to give you the basic progressions to this song. So, I was requested to do it in C sharp. So, let's go with it. So, the first song starts on the 1. So it goes C sharp, the 1 is C sharp, 2 is D sharp, the 3 is E sharp, the 4 is F sharp, the 5 is G sharp, the 6 is A sharp, the 7 is B sharp, and the 1 is C sharp. So the song starts off on the 1. And with the song like this, when you first introducing the song, the melody is the key. So we go. That's the first melody. So C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F. You got me? So got me? So the second part is F, well, E sharp, F sharp, E sharp, D sharp. You do it again. Now all we're gonna do from there is just do some basic chords over top that to harmonize that. So the first chord we're gonna do is right hand, F, E sharp, G sharp, C sharp. So this chord right here, F sharp, A sharp, D sharp, to another C sharp major chord, but we're going to do it in this inversion: G sharp, C sharp, E sharp. Do it again. So that the lower G sharp, F or E sharp to A sharp and F sharp. Walk back down. Back to the G sharp and F. To the F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp. So all together. Actually, instead of going to the F sharp, we can go back to this A flat major chord. So it's A flat, C, E flat. So basically, we're gonna do the first part over the 1, to C sharp. That's the A flat major chord that the lower has made. And do the same thing again, but do it over top the E flat, the 2. Or the D sharp. So let me go to this chord right here. It's the A flat major chord, E flat, A flat, C. I will rejoice. To the D sharp chord, F, A flat, C sharp. To the F sharp, B flat, and E flat. On all that, it's over the A flat. So I will rejoice, and be glad in it, and be glad in it. Oh, this is the day. So that part is right there, straight church right there. So what we're gonna do is I'm trying to teach the song as simple as I can in the beginning. I'm gonna teach you some alternative stuff you can do to embellish the song. And make it, depends on what you're playing it. Like if you're just playing it at like a more Baptist church, it would be like if it was more like a contemporary church, you can just can do a lot of different stuff. It depends on your approach you want to take to the song. But we're gonna keep it kind of churchy and kind of like a Baptist type of vibe to it. So when we do it, so I ended on the "I will rejoice." I showed you. I will rejoice. You can do it twice. And be glad in it. And be glad in it. Oh, this. So we're going a 7 chord. Over top they're going B flat, E flat, A flat. To this chord right here is a F, C, E flat in the left hand, right hand. We're gonna do an A, C sharp, E flat, A flat. So we're doing these turnarounds right here. You knew you heard this before. You heard it before. So B flat and F, A flat. So it's like a A sharp minor 9 chord. So B flat minor 9 chord, A flat, C, C sharp, F, to a D sharp 13 chord, E flat 13 chord. So E flat, B flat, E flat, G, C, D flat, F. So all together, we go to a G sharp minor 9 chord. So it's G sharp, D sharp, F sharp, B flat, B, E flat. Then drop the thumb down over the C sharp to a C sharp 13 chord. C sharp, A flat, C sharp, F, B flat, B, E flat. So I will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. Oh, this is the day. Again, I will rejoice and be glad and be glad. Excuse me, my bad. Got lost in the song just then, thinking about some different moves I want to do. So I will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. Oh, to the 4 chord, which is F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, B flat, C sharp, to a diminished chord, G diminished chord, diminished 7 chord, G, E, G, B flat, C sharp, to the 5 chord, which is it's a A flat chord, A flat, E flat, A flat, C. So this is the day that the Lord has made. So I want you to do 1. This is the day that the Lord has made. So that 1 chord is not number 1 chord. We're gonna do this right here over top of it. F, B flat, and E flat. F, B, and E flat over C sharp. Back to that same thing. 4 to that sharp 4, 5. And we're gonna do different. Is keep walking up to the sharp 5. So we're gonna do A sharp diminished 7 chord. A diminished 7 chord. A, F sharp, A, C, E flat. Then we're gonna do a B flat major 7 chord. B flat minor chord. So we do this right here. So the D flat chord over B flat makes it a B flat minor chord. So F, A flat, C sharp over B flat. So let's go through the whole part right there. So that's we'll rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made. Oh, I will rejoice and be glad in it. To the 1. This is the day. Same thing. Just then the traditional what they do. If you don't do it, let's do that. So we're gonna go 3, sharp 4, 5, F, F sharp, G, A flat. Right hand F, A flat, C sharp over F, F sharp major chord, F sharp, A flat, B flat, C sharp, to it, G diminished chord, G, E, G, B flat, C sharp. And that D flat major chord over the A flat, F, A flat, C sharp over the A flat. walk up to the B flat, A, B flat. So bam, 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 bam. So we're gonna voice like this: A flat, C sharp, F. Make it that. To the D, E flat. So I like going major on that sometimes. So bam, 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 bam. But it normally mine like that. So go E flat, F sharp, B flat, C sharp over E flat. Walk through the G, A flat, F sharp, B flat, C sharp, F to the 1. Walk up. And honestly, that's the entire song. This is the date, this is the date, this is the date. So I'm going to show you those progressions that I showed you just then. And then I'm going to do after that, show you some ways to get to the different chords and stuff. Your different progressions that lead you to the different parts of the songs, what make the song really, really churchy. So we're going to do some stuff. Let's see what we can work out in this song right here. If I can get this back up. My click track stop playing. Give me 1 second. One, two, three. That's what I want to show you right there. The last thing I want to show you in this video. So what I'm doing there is walking from the 1. So F sharp, A flat, C sharp over C sharp. To a F sharp, B flat, C sharp over E flat. To a E in left hand, E B flat, E A flat, B flat, C sharp. So to a F diminished chord, E diminished chord over. So that's that E, G, B flat, C sharp over F. Oh. Got that. So back to the 4 I showed you earlier. And guys, that's it. This song is really, really easy. Just churching it in the key of C sharp. Thank you for watching the video. Like I always tell you guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Keep watching the videos. Keep liking the videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Musicians Playground. We out.